this is like my ultimate go-to. Please don't mind my lack thereof. I'm growing them back, honey. I am growing them back. Hi my babies, it's Mother and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this high puff on 4C hair. It is extremely hard to do. I wouldn't say extremely hard to do, but 4C hair is probably the toughest hair to try to manage. You can get a whole lot more frustrated with it. Trust me, I know, I have it. So this is just my way of going about getting a easy high puff with not a lot of strain on your arms, having your arms up in the air all the time. They be hurting and stuff. You don't have to worry about none of that. With this, it's just quick, simple, and easy on how to moisturize your hair and to get it up in the high puff. This is just what I do to achieve it. So if you ladies want to see, go on and keep watching. So first things first, I go in with the Crème of Nature's Argan. Actually, this is... what this is the Crème of Nature Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Spray, or whatever you want to call it. But it's actually water in here too. It was about so much left, and then I filled the rest with water. So I'm just going to go ahead and spritz my hair with this. And half the time, a bun is on, well, a bun, yeah, a top puff is on dirty hair, just because you add so much product, just because you add so much gel to it. So, yeah, you just want to make sure that the hair is not soaked, but moisturized. And now my hair is already pretty moisturized, so I'm just going to put very little product, not as much as I normally put in it, but I'm going to be using the same products that I use every time. Okay, first things first, I'm going to go in with my oil mixture, and this has hella oils in here, like so many oils I probably couldn't even name them all right now. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my scalp. And I'm going to massage my scalp. And I'm just going to massage my scalp with this. Next, I'm going to go in with my As I Am Double Buttercream. And I'm only going to take a dollop of this because my hair is already pretty moisturized with it. It's just the inside of my hair. Like, my roots get so dry. And this is supposed to help maintain moisture. And it really does. Because my strands are moisturized. My roots are what's dry. I'm going to take a little bit of the As I Am curling jelly, and I'm going to add that to my hair as well. 4C coils are so little and so tight. It actually gets some definition, but see the way my little coils is set up, girl, you couldn't even really notice. Now it's time for the getting the hair up there. Now I'm just going to push the hair back and pull it at the same time, just to get it going in the direction that it needs to go in. Now this is a lot easier right now because my hair was already in a puff. I just took it down for a refresher. Oh, maybe I should turn around so y'all can see the back. So now that we got it pretty much going in the same direction, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil one. I absolutely love this. This is my handy dandy always. This is what this is. And I love it even more now because it comes with a pop top. Girl, no more twist top, no more. I don't really take that much. Trying to get 4C hair to lay is pretty tough to do. I mean, it's possible, but right now I'm not so much focused on it laying. I'm just focused on getting it up more so. I can lay everything else later. Oh, and I'm gonna take my little brush. I normally use either this brush, or this one. It has a soft bristle side and then it has a hard bristle side. I'm probably gonna use this one because the hard bristle side isn't as hard as that other brush is, because that other brush is super hard. I'm gonna take a little more and I'm gonna do my sides and my front and my other side. Excuse my edges, I'm growing them back currently. They got snatched out with the box braids and they're actually growing back pretty fast. If you ladies want a how I grew my edges back video, I'll definitely do that as well. These are my absolute favorite. They're the Goody Ouchless Comfort Head Wraps. Oh, I just love these. I absolutely love these. 4C girls, these are made for us. Like, I don't even see why anyone else would even use them, to be honest. Around my head once, around my head twice. And when I go around, I grab. I don't let it choke me. I grab it. And you just start to work it up. And I brush the front of my hair with the soft bristle side. Just because my front isn't as strong as my back is. And you want to just shimmy it up. And you want to grab one of them and shimmy up the back like you would for a high puff. And as you're shimmying up, give that string a tug, a pull. And then pull the hair. Make sure you're getting it out, because shrinkage is real. And before you know it, you'll just have like a nub on top of your head because it didn't go as you planned. And every time you give it a tug, just give your hair a little pull. And when I get my string about so long, I'll twist it like so. And I'll make sure I keep that close to my head, because if you pull it out here and you do that, you're going to catch your front hair. So you just want to twist it down like onto your face, like on your forehead. You see how my forehead is like grabbed? And you just want to pull so that it goes underneath the hair. And then you just want to work this around the hair and just let it go in the back. And then adjust your hair as you please. Does anybody else have like a section of hair that's like a totally different texture? Like, I have this piece of my hair right here is like 4Z hair, honey. Like it's untamed, unmanageable. I mean, clearly I manage it, but yeah. Next, I go in with my Cantu Shea Butter Hair Dressing Pomade. I actually love this stuff. It's like, it adds control, but not too much. It's kind of like just like a grease. The texture of it is just like a grease. See, it's just like a grease, but it's not greasy grease. That even makes any sense. But it adds a lot of shine to my hair. Like so much shine to my hair. Ugh. And it has a little control factor, so I just slap that on there too. And I take the soft side of my bristle brush and I just brush that hair up. Make sure to get that neck, because you know you got them BDBs back there, girl. 4C hair is known for the BDBs, okay, honey? Alright. Alright. Now I'm going to take my Gots to Be Glued gel in the black bottle, and I'm going to apply very little to these little bit of edges that I have. It's actually like a little peach fuzz, since I'm working on growing them back. But honey, once they get a little longer, this baby hair slick gonna be to die for, honey. I'm gonna take my red satin headscarf and I'm gonna tie down my hair. You want to let this sit for about maybe 10-15 minutes, take it off, and voila. So I'll be back after I let this sit for a little bit. Okay, my babies, I'm back. I just put on some eyebrows and some mascara and let the hair sit for a little bit. I'm about to take off the scarf. So if you babies enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. If you watched the whole video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Clearly you like me, so yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. If you have any questions about the products that I use, I'll put them in the description box below, but you can also comment. If you have another technique as to how you do it, I'd be glad to know, so maybe I can use that, but this works for me. If you are a 4C girl and you don't have those goodie headbands, ouchless headbands, I strongly advise that you go and get you a pack of them. They come in a pack of 6 and you can use them for your regular buns, your high buns, your, you know what I'm saying, like just as a head scarf, like, you know, to have your big hair, your big fro out. But just go and get them. You need them. You really, really do. For real. But again, thanks for watching, my babies. Mwah. See you in the next video.